If you love to cook at home, then you know how frustrating it can be when your food spoils. It always seems to happen quicker than you can eat it, and this can be costly and frustrating. Luckily, using a vacuum sealer is an effective way to ensure your leftovers stay fresh for weeks to come. There are many benefits to vacuum sealing: preserving freshness, helping against oxidation. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 vacuum sealers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Nesco Deluxe Food vs 12 Vacuum Sealer. Our pick for the best vacuum sealer overall, Nesco's vs 12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer, is a great choice for someone seeking out an intuitive option that does a great job of sealing. It comes with 2 different sizes of bags that can be washed and reused between uses, as well as built-in storage and a cutter for the bag rolls. This option comes with the ability to provide both a single and double seal. When using the dry setting on an avocado, we found it to have no signs of oxidation or pockets of air after 5 days of storage. We did find that this option struggles a bit with watery marinades. While the machine can handle liquids, be mindful of how much you use, as we found too much liquid would be sucked into the vacuum chamber and can make a mess. Number 2. Bonson Kitchen Dry/Moist Vacuum Sealer. If you're interested in purchasing a vacuum sealer but don't want to invest too heavily, this Bonson Kitchen pick is the best vacuum sealer to consider. Bonson Kitchen's food sealer machine was easy to understand during testing, so we think the model would be great for beginners. This machine features seal, dry, moist, vac, and accessory settings, which some more expensive options don't have. There's also a suction tube that comes with the machine, but do be mindful that the moist option is for moist, not wet food, as the manufacturer warns that too much liquid will damage the machine. In testing, we found this option to do a good job of creating a seal on marinated chicken. However, we did run it through the sealer twice for a better seal, as the first left us desiring more. The bag remained sealed during cooking, with just some very minor micro bubbles appearing. Number 3. FoodSaver 31,161,370 Cordless Food Vacuum Sealer. If you're not looking to take up a lot of storage space, our pick for the handheld best vacuum sealer is this option from FoodSaver. The simple setup makes it a breeze for even beginners to get started with it. The smaller nature of this choice means that it may not have as many features as larger options, but it does feature both a normal vacuum setting and a marinate setting that pulls and releases air for 12 minutes. We did find that this choice damaged cereal during testing, but because of its handheld nature, we were able to control the pressure and remove it before all of the cereal was damaged. When it came time to clean the smaller device, we liked that it was so easy thanks to the removable plastic reservoir, which can be washed with soapy water. Number 4. Inkbird Vacuum Sealer Machine. Thanks to instructions that are easy to follow and a handful of features that we found manageable, we recommend this Inkbird pick as the best vacuum sealer to consider. The vacuum sealer received high marks for ease of use and performance, as well as versatility. This option has both dry and moist vacuum settings, and it can handle both sealing and vacuuming bags. In testing, we found that the sealed bag didn't inflate when immersed in heat. There is also no mention of a refractory period being needed, and we found that to be the case in testing as well. The vacuum sealer also features an accessory port that you can use for a suction hose, which it comes with, as well as a built-in cutter. While it may be able to handle moist foods, this vacuum sealer met its match when it came to liquids. Accessories included bag roll, vacuum seal bags, air cushion hose. Number 5. Fresco Automatic Vacuum Sealer Machine. If your vacuum sealer isn't easy to clean, you may be less inclined to use it. With this in mind, we love the Fresco V8 Pro not only for its vacuum abilities but how easy it is to maintain. One of our favorite parts of the vacuum sealer was the progress bar, which lets you know how far along the sealing is going. There are also moist, dry, seal, and external hose options, but it doesn't feature a gentle setting. Compared to other options, we found that the moist setting was able to do a good job of preventing the marinade from being removed from the bag, removing only about 30% of the marinade. However, it didn't perform well with more delicate foods during testing, crushing half of the cereal we put into it and damaging the avocado in the process. Accessories included air hose, operation mode, automatic. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.